Students, I am Nisha Sindhi and I am taking 5th standard English subject. Today's our topic is lesson number 2, A Brave Son of Mother India. See here students, this is the picture of Captain Vikram Batra. In our previous class, we have learned about the A Brave Son of Mother India. We have discussed the words spoke by the Captain Vikram Batra. What did he spoke? Either I will come back after hoisting the tricolor, or I will come back wrapped in it, but I will be back for sure. Those were the words of Captain Batra when he left for the Kargil war. Also, Vikram Batra was born on 9 September 1974 in Gugar village near Palampur in Himachal Pradesh. His parents' names were G.L. Batra and Jayakamal Batra. His mother was first teacher. He got his early education from her. After he was admitted to DAV Public School where he studied up to class 8th. He passed the senior secondary examination from Central School in Palampur. Now let us continue the story about the brave son of Mother India. Let's read line by line. In 1999, a conflict took place between the armies of India and Pakistan in the Kargil district of Kashmir. Many Pakistani soldiers had secretly taken position in some areas on the Indian soil. So, students, Vikram Batra left for the war. Now, in the year 1999, conflict took place. Here, meaning of conflict is war. War took place between the armies of India and Pakistan. Now, in the year 1999, a war took place between the armies of India and Pakistan in the Kargil district of Kashmir. Many Pakistani soldiers had secretly taken position in some areas on the Indian soil. Many Pakistani soldiers means many Pakistani armies secretly, hiddenly taken position in some of the areas on the Indian soil. Many soldiers of Pakistanis taken place in the Indian areas, in the some areas on the Indian soil. Secretly they took place. This sector has some high rising and steep peaks on the Himalayan range of mountains with harsh weather condition. The Pakistani soldiers were secretly taken the position in some areas. Where they taken the position, that sector has some high rising and steep peaks of the Himalayan range. What it is has? It has a high rising steep peaks of the Himalayan range of mountains with harsh weather condition. Their climatic condition were not so good. On 19th June, Captain Batra and his battalion was commanded to recapture point 5140, also referred to as peak 5140. On the 19th June, on the date 19th June, Captain Vikram Batra and his battalion. Here, meaning of battalion is a large group of soldiers that consist of 3 or more smaller groups. What is meaning of battalion? A large group of soldiers. On 19th June, Captain Batra and his number of group of soldiers was commanded. What they have commanded? They commanded means they got the order that here the Captain Batra and his team group of soldiers got the orders to recapture point 5140. Now they have commanded to recapture the point. Mean there is a area named point 5140. They have to recapture. Also referred to as peak 5140. Point 5140 also called as a peak 5140. The names given to some high points in the mountain range. This is the some names like peak 5140. These were the names given in the high points in the mountain range. Point 5140 was a very crucial peak and Captain Batra knew that he had to win. He also knew the operation was too dangerous to be carried out during the day. Here, high peak in the mountain range 5140 was a very crucial peak. It was very difficult peak and Captain Batra knew that he had to win. Now, Captain Batra has to win and any condition he has to win and recapture the point 5140. He also knew the operation was too dangerous to carry during the daytime. Operation means planned activity involving soldiers. Here he knew that Captain Batra knew that operation was very dangerous to recapture point 5140. So also during the daytime it was very dangerous. As a leader, Captain Batra nicknamed Sher Shah, Lion King. As a leader, Captain Vikram Batra is a leader. As a leader, he has a nickname. What is his nickname? Sher Shah, Lion King. Because of his indomitable spirit and courage, decided to approach the hill from the rear. Because of his high spirit and courage, decided to approach the hill from back. He was hoping for a surprise attack on the enemy. It was dark and cold. All the men traveled quietly. He was hoping that it may be surprise attack from the enemy side. It may be surprise attack on us. It was very traveled quietly. All the men were quietly there. When he and his men were on a steep cliff near the top, the Pakistanis opened fire at them. When they are climbing up, that time the Pakistani rangers or the Pakistani soldiers opened fire at them. Means they have started firing on the Indian army. Captain Batra along with 5 of his men kept on climbing regardless and after reaching the top hurled 2 grenades at the enemy post. Now what they do? After the Pakistani attacked on them, Pakistani started firing on them, but also without stopping, Captain Batra with 5 of his men continued to climb. He not stopped. He continues the climbing and after reaching the top, he hurled 2 grenades at the enemy post. What did the Indian army or Vikram Batra do? He hurled means threw the 2 grenades at the enemy. At the enemy side, he threw 2 grenades. He single-handedly fought enemy soldiers in a close combat. Captain Batra got seriously injured in the process, but ended death. Undeterred, he continued on his mission, inspired by their leader. He single-handedly fought with enemy soldiers in close combat. Fight at close quarter. He single-handedly fought with enemy with very close quarters. Captain Batra got seriously injured. In this fight, Captain Batra were seriously injured in the process, but he continued his mission without stopping. He continued on his mission inspired by their leader. The soldiers charged again at the enemy army and eventually succeeded in the recapturing point. What was the main mission? Main mission was the recapturing point 5140. Without stopping, Captain Batra has injured, but also without stopping, he fought with the enemies and succeeded in the recapturing point 5140 at 3:30 am. It was the time 3:30 am on 20 June 1990. What was the date? 3:30 am on 20 June 1990. The capture of point 5140 was an important step in the war as it set in motion a string of success such as point 5100, point 4700 Junction, Peak and Three Pimples. Just 9 days later, Vikram Batra was assigned to an urgent mission to recapture point 4875 in the early morning hours. Now what happened? They have recaptured the point 5140. After succeeding in this mission, just 9 days later, Vikram Batra was assigned for a new mission. The mission was to recapture point 4875 in the early morning. In the early morning time, he had to recapture the point 4875. Of 7th July 1999, Captain Batra led a mission to rescue an injured soldier from point 4875. Now, on 7th July, date 7 July 1999, Captain Batra had a mission to rescue an injured soldier. Now, in the mission, who have injured the injured soldier, now it is mission of Captain Batra to rescue an injured soldier from point 4875. This was one of the most difficult peak to capture as the Pakistani. This was very difficult peak to capture because the Pakistani troops at their peak at 16,000 feet with a very steep granite. Now there is at 16,000 feet already Pakistani troops were at there with a very steep granite. So it was very difficult peak to rescue an injured soldier from there. The already tough condition was worsened by a dense fog which interfered with their vision. There also weather conditions was not good. During the rescue attempt, he pushed aside his Subedar, saying that he had children and family to support, knowing very well the extreme danger lying in front of him. Now, during the mission rescue, he pushed aside the Subedar. He pushed to the Subedar that you go back because this mission was very dangerous, and saying that he had children and his family to support, knowing well that it is a very extreme danger lying in. Captain Batra moved ahead and was killed in action while clearing enemy positions. Now the Captain Batra moved ahead and was killed and was died in the action while rescuing the injured soldiers and clearing enemy position. Captain Batra died on 7 July 1990 in the mission to rescue an injured soldiers and action while clearing enemy position. Captain Batra died on 7th July in the year 1990 when he was only 24 years old, an age where most young people are starting their careers. Captain Batra died on 7th July in the year 1999 when he was only just 24 years old, when most of the teenagers or most of the young generation start thinking about their careers. His war cry, Ye Dil Mange More. His war cry was Ye Dil Mange More. He is famous among young and old. This war cry was very famous from the among the young and old. Ye Dil Mange More. For his exemplary bravery, he was awarded the highest military honor, the Param Veer Chakra, posthumously. For his bravery, he was awarded the highest military honor, the Paramveer Chakra. He also honored with several landmarks being named after him. After his death, he also honored with the several landmarks being named after him. The historic capture of Point 4875 led to the mountain being named Batra Top. The mountain named Point 4875, the mountain being named Batra Top in his honor. A hall at Service Selection Center of Allahabad is named Vikram Batra Block. In the Allahabad Service Selection Center named Vikram Batra Block. A residential area in Jabalpur cantonment is called Captain Vikram Batra Enclave. In residential area in Jabalpur cantonment called Captain Vikram Batra Enclave, and the combined cadets mess at the IMA is named Vikram Batra Mess. Captain Vikram Batra is a hero of the nation and a face of the Indian soldier who fought bravely and died fearlessly. Read the citation that was given along with the Paramveer Chakra. Captain Vikram Batra is a hero of the nation and face of the Indian soldiers who fought bravely and died fearlessly. Now we will do exercises. Write true or false. First question is, Captain Batra's mother was his first teacher. Answer is true. Captain Batra spent his childhood in Dehradun. Answer is false. Captain Batra spent his childhood in Dehradun. Answer is false. Third one, Captain Batra was an average NCC cadet. Answer is false. Fourth one, Captain Batra started in the army as a captain. Answer is false. Fifth one, Captain Batra was uninjured in the first mission. Answer is false. Sixth one, reclaiming point 5140 was not important. Answer is false. Seventh one, Captain Batra was awarded the Paramveer Chakra. Answer is true. Now let's see answer the following questions. First question is, where was Captain Batra born? Answer, Captain Batra was born in Ghuggar village near Palampur in Himachal Pradesh. Where was Captain Batra born? Captain Batra was born in Ghuggar village near Palampur in Himachal Pradesh. Second question, what was his nickname? Answer, Captain Batra's nickname was Sher Shah, Lion King. Third question is, why did he decide to approach the enemy army from the rear? Answer, Captain Batra was hoping for a surprise attack, so he decided to approach the enemy from the rear. Next question is, why was capturing Peak 4875 difficult? Answer, Peak 4875 had a steep gradient and Pakistani soldiers were already at the peak. The tough condition was worsened by fog, so capturing Peak 4875 was difficult. Fifth question is, what was the mission at Peak 4875? Answer, the mission at Peak 4875 was to rescue an injured soldier. Sixth question is, why did Captain Batra send the Subedar back? Answer, Captain Batra sent the Subedar back as he had children and a family to support. Vocabulary. Match the antonyms. First one, failure. Failure, opposite of failure, success. Early, late. Capture, release. Victory, defeat. Danger, safety. Continue, stop. Attack, rescue. Steep, gradual. Use the words from the box to complete the sentences. When we did not see any familiar dash, we knew we were lost. Here answer is landmarks. The fielder caught the ball at dash it towards the wicket. Answer is hurled. The fielder caught the ball at hurled it towards the wicket. All nations must not engage in any sort of conflict. Kapil Dev was famous for his indomitable spirit. Indomitable spirit. The head boy of our school dashed the national flag on the Republic Day. Hosted. Though Rajveer lost his legs in the accident, he remained dash and qualified for the Paralympics under undeterred. Our army shows exemplary courage and discipline even when they help during natural disasters. Our army shows exemplary courage and discipline even when they help during natural disasters. You can mark in the box also. First one, landmarks. Second one, herald. Third one, conflict. Fourth one, indomitable. Fifth one, hosted. Sixth one, undeterred. Seventh one, exemplary. So students, hope you understood the lesson as well as the question and answer. Now it's time to take the homework. Read and write question and answer. Write in your English homework notebook and send on WhatsApp. Thank you.